Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Very unplanned video. I want to crack on with my new board, but I thought before I start putting parts together, I want to just cover the 3D Services new hub system drives very quickly. Okay, these here are the Finality by 3D Services. These are custom color. They were made blue for me anodized because I wanted to, and also come as custom with the clear barrels. This is what I wanted. Okay, so what's so good about this? You guys keep on asking me that, oh, it's so expensive, whatever not. Okay, the way I see this is for the money, you get the front trucks, you get the base plate, you get the hubs, you get the actual wheel hubs as well. When I mean hubs is this new hub system I show you in a second. You do get the gear drives, you do get the 3D printed bash guards. You get base plates, as I mentioned, you do get the barrels, everything comes assembled. The only thing you need to do is stick the motors in and you're good to go. So if you calculate between the quality, obviously also this being very innovative design, try calculating like belts, pulleys, wheels themselves, bearings separately, hangers, base plates, barrels. So try doing that, let's say using another company like a Tramp or someone, and then look at the price of these. But again, it's up to you. I'm not selling 3D Services. Yes, I am his friend, like his Kate friend. He's from Lithuania, I'm from Estonia, so we're pretty much neighbors. So that's it really much. So this is here is the rear. So obviously you got your gear drives on it. Very, very thin. Very, very nice. These are the helical. I also have a straight cuts, the eco drives on my Tsunami board, and I absolutely love them. This should be quieter, but we'll test it very, very soon, okay? So this here, by the way, this whole lot you see in my hands is 3.5 kilo. So 3,500 grams, 3.5 kilo, this setup, everything but tires. So let's put this gently on the side. And let's talk about actual hub system. Okay, so this here is the hub system, okay? The hub itself, or the wheel hub, is fixed to the hub, I'll also explain to you, with nuts. These are same kind of type nuts like you would have in your car, with nice little cone shapes, so they center themselves when you put them onto the threaded studs. So this is how the hub, wheel hub, comes off. Just like this, okay? And this is the wheel hub. It's made out of 2 parts, precision cut, absolutely gorgeous, yeah? And this will be fitted with the 9-inch Trampo tires, the diamond cut. So here, what you have is the hub system, okay? So everything is contained inside the part right here. You got 2 conical bearings. Everything is precision cut, everything is precisionally put together. It's full with grease. It got a seal all the way around here, so no water gets inside. And it's absolutely gorgeous. It's so well made, and this is one of the benefits. So guys, you was asking, what's the benefit? Okay, normally, on a normal wheel, you have your bearing, your spacer, your bearing, then you have your speed washer, nut, everything goes on a single axle, and you over tighten, it gets tight, and it's just that hassle. Here, you don't have anything. You got 5 studs, okay? So what you do, you take the hub apart, yeah, like you normally would do, you put your tire on it, inflate it, slide it over these studs, just like that, and using these nuts, you tighten that up. Done. So in order to take this wheel off, literally 5 nuts, done. No spaces, no washers, none of that inside the wheel hub. Okay, so I'll show you the side that's already assembled, yeah, and you got the 5 nuts holding it in place. Simple as this. The operation is so smooth, is unbelievable. But one really positive part, a benefit about all this, that even if you really try very, very hard, there is absolutely no movement, there's no wobble, there's nothing to play around, there's nothing to jump around on the axle. Everything is contained inside this new hub system, because there are large conical bearings in here. It's like in a car hub. It all gets squished together and keeps itself together really, really well. Okay, so in order to get inside, it's this screws right here. The cap comes off, and that's where the bearings are, and that's where the grease is. But chances that you have to take this apart are almost zero. Okay, so this is the quality up close. Very, very nice. These base plates are by 3D Services as well. These are the finalities. So it's like a trumpet truck, but redone, redesigned, shape changed, and it is a precision cut. Okay, as I said, the color is custom for me, for my new build. Okay, beautiful. And another good part, so if you have your, let's say, rear wheel blowout or your front wheel blowout, regardless front to back, 4 nuts, take it off, put a spare rim back on. So potentially, and this is what I'm going to do, is buy another hub, so I can have fully assembled wheel with me with the same tire as the rest of the board. So if you're stuck somewhere with a puncture, 4 nuts off and the new wheel back on. Sorry, 5 nuts. And what I thought I'll mention as well, this is how much thought went into this system. If you look carefully, you can see that the holes for where the nuts sit and where the studs come through, they're conical. Yeah, it's the same cone as is on the nut itself. So when you're catching it, yeah, it will center the hub nicely. So no wobbles, everything straight, nice and perfect. So that's it really. With the kit, you get some seals. That's for your gear drives, because you need to take the gear drives fronts off in order to pull the motors on, but it's very simple. You also get grease, the special designed by 3D Services grease, and some nuts as well. You get 2 for usage and 2 for spare. So this is it, guys, for this video. Just a quick overview, more detail. I will have more videos how to put the motors on it and whatever not, so stay tuned. I also have some videos coming out. I'm building an absolutely awesome mountain electrical skateboard. I have video coming out soon on the best recipe, in my mind, best recipe for electrical skateboarding build DIY. That's it really. Drive safely, ride safely, be safe, build safely, well, you know. Anyway, catch you soon, bye.